Good morning, students. Welcome to the another session of our study program. These days we are studying the chapter genetics, and today our topic is Mendel's experiment on inheritance. The basic principle of genetics was discovered by Gregor John Mendel. In fact, Gregor John Mendel was not a scientist. Actually, he was a monk. Mendel was as it is very clear, Mendel was an Austrian monk, and he tried to give in so many laws associated with the inheritance, and finally he was considered as the father of genetics. So let us study few interesting facts about genetics. So, Gregor John Mendel discovered in principle of genetics. So he was considered as the father of genetics. He selected Garden P for his experiment, and Garden P is scientifically known as Pisum sativum. The scientific name of Garden P or pea plant is Pisum sativum, and this experiment taken approximately 20 years. In Monastery, he was having a very beautiful garden where he performed this experiment. So my dear student, here we will see only postulates or principles associated with the genetics established by the Gregor John Mendel. He selected the pea plant. The reason to select the pea plant is so many, because many varieties with alternate forms are available with pea plant. Secondly, pea is available in pure forms, and thirdly, pea plant is normally self-pollinated. If required, cross-pollination can be also performed. So let us see some characters associated with the Garden P, with their dominant character and recessive characters. So here 7 character is selected. First, or it is considered by the Gregor John Mendel: flower color, seed shape, pod color, pod shape, flower position, and plant height. So associated with this fact, so flower color may be purple or white. So this purple is dominant, whereas this white is recessive. Similarly, character with the seed color, it may be yellow or green, and seed shape may be round or wrinkled. Pod color, it may be green color or yellow, and pod shape may be inflated or constricted. So flower position may be axial or terminal, and plant height, it may be tall or dwarf. So you can see the variety of characters with a single plant is available, that is with Pisum sativum, and its dominant traits and recessive traits are also available. So this was the important reason to select the pea plant for the experiment. And Gregor John Mendel continuously, first generation, second generation, and so on, he continued his experiment. Finally, he concluded some laws. We will discuss in our next class, but some terms associated with the experiment is here. Monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means when only one feature is taken for cross, it is said monohybrid cross. And dihybrid cross, if two features are taken together, it is known as dihybrid cross. And one term you will see with the experiment, that is genotype, the combination of genes in an organism. And the phenotype means the expressed character which is generally controlled. So my dear student, these are the terms associated. And next term with the genetics or with experiment with the Mendel, that is F1 generation. First filial F1 generation, it is in short F1. It is filial, that is F1 means first filial generation, means cross between offspring. First, second and third generation of the offspring are known as F1, F2 and F3 generation respectively. So my dear student, these are the fact about the experiment of the Gregor John Mendel selected as a pea plant. And next day we will see the various experiment associated with the Gregor John Mendel, that is case 1, case 2 and case 3. For today, up to here. Thank you.